Welcome back to Motor Mania. Today we're diving into the world of unmatched opulence with the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL, the ultimate fusion of power, elegance, and high-end craftsmanship. This isn't just a luxury convertible, it's a statement on wheels. Mercedes-Benz has taken the iconic SL Roadster and elevated it to Maybach status, giving us a grand tour that redefines automotive luxury. From the first glance, the 2025 Maybach SL demands attention. The elongated hood, Maybach exclusive grille, and shimmering chrome accents instantly set it apart. The two-tone paint options are flawless, and every line is sculpted to perfection. It rides low, wide, and confident, with 21-inch forged wheels and Maybach badging that make it feel like royalty on the road. The soft top roof folds away in just 15 seconds, and even that process feels luxurious, smooth, quiet, and effortless. Under the hood, you get a hand-built 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine producing around 621 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, giving the SL mind-blowing performance despite its weight and luxury. 0 to 60 in about 3.9 seconds, and yet, it delivers all that with whisper-quiet refinement. The adaptive suspension ensures a magic carpet ride over any surface. Inside, it's a masterclass in design. Nappa leather, real wood trim, metal accents, and ambient lighting create a first-class experience. The seats offer massage, ventilation, and even neck warmers, ideal for top-down cruising. The massive MBUX hyperscreen spans across the dash, integrating infotainment, navigation, and vehicle controls into one intuitive system. Rear seat space is more symbolic than practical, but this car isn't about utility, it's about indulgence. Technology is front and center with features like augmented reality navigation, 4D Burmester surround sound, biometric login, and advanced driver assistance systems. Safety isn't compromised either, with active steering assist, blind spot monitoring, and pre-safe systems as standard. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL is expected to start above the $200,000 mark, but for those who crave the absolute best in convertible luxury, it's worth every penny. This isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle, a moving sanctuary where performance meets prestige. Thanks for watching Motor Mania, where we bring you the finest rides on the planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more elite automotive content.